Today we've got an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Customer says the screen isn't working, so we're going to fit a new one. I'll apply some heat to loosen up the adhesive around the screen. And we'll pry it open gently. Open it up. Now we'll remove the screws so we can take the shields off. Remove the shields and pop off the tabs. Whoops, glad that was the old screen. We'll remove the Face ID camera and ear speaker. Reprogram the screen and pop the Face ID back on. Attach the new screen, click it down. As good as new, but is it working? Yes, it is. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and follow. See you on the next one.